Is Marijn Dekkers, the CEO of that company. He joins me now. Thank you very much indeed for speaking to us. So I just want to ask you about your pharmaceutical revenue in North America, because I understand that you're having problems there at the moment because of generic competition. Tell me about that.
Well, you're right. We are having troubles because of generic competition in our birth control product line. This is something that is something we have to deal with. This is what happens when you are running a pharma company. You do get this as patents become either expire, or in this case, we think we have valid patents, but we have a genetic competitor who decided to bring out a competitive product.
So do you think that region will continue to be something of a weak point for you?
The region? No, I mean the U.S., other than in this particular area, has grown very well. We've had 5% pharma growth outside of this particular issue.
Now, investors are waiting eagerly for results on Xarelto, an experimental blood thinner that may compete in a $15 billion annual market. Is that data going to come on time at the American Heart Association conference in November?
That is what we are expecting, that on the 15th of November we can present the results. Xarelto is a very important new product for us, obviously, and we're expecting, when everything would develop well over the next few years, more as a 2 billion euro revenue from this product. But we will have a very important data point on November 15th. That's what we're expecting.
Sure. And interestingly, I mean, it's not just your birth control pill that's run into some trouble in North America. You've also had some trouble competing with, how is Bayer going to compete with Pradaxa? It's the blood thinner by Boehringer Ingelheim. It was approved in the US this month with a rave review from the FDA. Are you concerned about that?
Well, I think that, as you mentioned, this is a very big market. The current treatment for these type of diseases is really leaves something to be desired in terms of patient care. So there is a large opportunity. We're expecting it to be more than 10 billion euro altogether, and we believe that there is room for various competitors to do very well, depending on the specific product properties and the specific conditions of the patients. And this, of course, we don't really have details on unless the results of all these phase 3 trials that are currently ongoing are known.
What about possible health deals? Because you have said that you would be able to finance a purchase the size of the $23 billion takeover of Schering in 2006. Your competitors, including GlaxoSmithKline, are complaining that prices are being pushed up at the moment. Has Bayer walked away from any deals since you started in January?
No, we haven't, and yes, we do have room to do acquisitions, but I would like to emphasize with you that this is not a priority for me as the new CEO. My priority is to really build Bayer into a very, very competitive company, particularly through innovation that we have developed ourselves, new product that we have developed ourselves. And when there are opportunities for an acquisition, we'll obviously take a serious look, but we don't feel we need to do an acquisition real soon to augment our portfolio.
Marijn Dekkers, Chief Executive Officer at Bayer, thank you very much indeed for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.